So this tutorial is about starting up the user workplace for the process owner or the forum chair, which actually managed the complete design of the fast cycle management process. So you see the welcome page, and on the welcome page you see the activated callout apps, which consists of all core apps for the whole process, and the other black and white apps can be activated in a later stage as supporting the process. So he can go to his dashboard by clicking any of the callout apps, like here on portfolio. Then he immediately gets his dashboard, and with this dashboard he has all functionalities which he needs to manage and monitor the whole process. On the left hand side you have the apps. So you have the portfolio apps, you see dashboard for domain admin, this is the content. Then you could go to business view, and actually you have all the apps in the right sequence of the process for creating the fast cycle management system. You can also, I think, inform yourself and train by clicking on a YouTube video, which gives you immediate access and knowledge about every app which is relevant. So for every apps there is one tutorial, and it's highly recommended to look at it. On the other side you see two important features for navigating the whole process. The first thing is the task, also what he has to do, and on the other hand is the bookmarks. This is actually, I think, the direct access to the content with one click. So for instance, the first task is creating a statement of understanding, and if you click on this task, it says exactly what you have to do, and you can give an answer to it. For instance, it says statement of understanding, go to bookmark 3. So let's do it. Bookmark 3 is view statement of understanding. If we click on, you go directly to the statement of understanding, and here you can edit the text like in any wiki, so that it's important that everybody who joins this project has a clear understanding about the vision and strategy of the company, the challenge, the project objectives, and also the diagnostic results, which is the case for action. And the diagnostic is the second task he has to do. This is something which everybody has to fill out. It is benchmarking the current process of the company with the best practice kind of thing. For instance, this forum chair already has filled out the first questions, and now he is on 2.4, and so he can state his opinion about how good the company is in the performance and restructuring area. This is actually, I think, a very easy way to get a fast diagnostic of the whole process, and every other user should do the same. On the next task he has to do is 3 business intelligence. It is assign the business intelligence manager. So the next step is you have to find one. You have to do one-to-one coaching for managing business intelligence, for creating market intelligence, which means using the app Business View and competition. And let's see, how he is doing this. Here he has the bookmark register participants, so he can log into it, and he can create here a new participants. If you want to have first an overview what participants are already here, then you can click on search participants. You can search it, and for instance, Louis Kruger is the candidate for this business intelligence position, and you can look, what the profile is about him. You see this job title is Business Intelligence Manager, and you could also assign the dashboard functions accordingly. So he has actually only 2, the activity cube and a competitive analysis, and you also have to give him a login name and a password. And then you already have done his job. You should do a one-to-one coaching with him so that he understands what his task is. So if we go back to the dashboard, then actually I think you always can also monitor the whole process. Here you see the process step, which you as a forum chair and process owner oversees, and you have the complete visibility who has completed the work, who has started it, and also I think you can call the guys or write him an email when things are missing. So, and you always can go back to the welcome page by going there using the home button, and this is actually, I think, again, how you control the whole process. You have all the apps, you have all the tasks you have to carry out, and it's stated exactly what to do, and you have also the bookmarks which leads you in one click to the action of the system where it is needed. And here on this side you already have your information about your task, about the roles you have, the bookmarks, the passwords, the profile, and you can also give feedback and directly access the forum. This is how this user is starting up his kind of task and activities on strategicfrontend.com.